Let's try to finish before it gets here. Or if it does, we'll... Worst case, 1 year is floppy. Yeah. Who doesn't like a good floppy year? Honestly, the setup, the overhead camera setup worked really, really great for building Lego. I didn't use the other one almost ever. The overhead just works really, really well. All right, let's just me keep a close eye on the... Okay, there you go. Okay, let's move it. Last step. Yeah, I'm not eating until I'm done with this, by the way, chat. I am not eating until I'm done with this. We're finishing this, then we indulge in some birthday food, and then, and only then, will we... Then and only then will we eat food. Yeah, the cam is perfect like this, right? Is it black or gray? It's kind of hard to tell. I think it's gray. Because when it's black, they do the white outline. But this seems... Okay, no, it's fine. It's different shade of gray. It's not even moving nearly that much. It's not moving because I'm doing most of my Lego like this. As soon as I would put my hands on the desk, it would start moving. But I did order yesterday a base and the flex arm which I was supposed to receive them. I ordered them from Elgato, but there was an issue with UPS and they lost some of it. So, because of that, I ordered it again on Amazon because I can't wait for them to... I literally reordered it because fuck it. I literally just reordered it, and I'm gonna ask Elgato to refund me the other order when they message me. I'm gonna ask them to just refund me. So I'm gonna wait until they message me. I'm gonna ask them to just refund. And I mean, they didn't lose the package. The package just came like completely bricked and open. So I got two part of it. There was 4 items. There was a camera, which is this camera that I'm using here. There was this camera right there. There was a stand, a base, and a flex arm. The flex arm allows you to, so you know, like when you have your stand like this, it allows you to have like another flex arm like going this way, right? And like doing some funky shit. And then you can put the camera on top of it, right? So that part of it is missing, the flex arm and the base, which would have given a lot more stability to my setup. In the meantime, I had to improvise something. I'll try to show you later. It's funny as hell. I improvised something really, really funny to create some stability in the setup that I've had, but it works, so I'm fine with it. You know, it works out. So at the moment, it's fine. But I did order a brand new base and a brand new flex arm, and hopefully they refund me the other one, and then I can just move on and you know, like, yeah. So I'll have all the pieces needed in about a week, and then that means that next time that we do this, I'm gonna be able to move a little bit more. I'm gonna be able to move a little bit more freely, let's say. I'm gonna be able to move a little bit more freely without being afraid of like vibration and shit. Oh, I think that was the right thing. Oh, it was at the right place. It's just that I'm missing this part. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to do this. There we go. So yeah, I'm missing 2 pieces right now, and I think once I get those 2 pieces, I'm supposed to receive them on the 18th of July. Once I receive them, the new setup is going to be like super nice. It's already almost perfect, honestly. It's already almost perfect. I just need a little bit more stability in the camera. So I'm still looking for a little bit of it's going to improve the stability a lot, I think. It's going to improve the stability a lot. It's going to improve the stability a lot of the setup. So, but yeah, pretty much today is the full test run. I'm most likely recording all of this too. I haven't double checked. Hopefully it's recording. But yeah, I would technically right now we're recording. I'm going to upload all of this to my new YouTube channel, which is going to be Lego and Magic and whatever stuff I feel like doing. So all of this is going to be on there. You guys are going to be able to rewatch any Lego build that you've missed, or any Magic the Gathering unpacking that you've missed and all that good stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think it's going to be a ton of fun, honestly. It's just something I want to do like once a week, once a month, like, you know, for the Lego, obviously. Okay, we got this one. Where's the other one? Picnic. Oh, it's right there. God damn it. Okay. There we go. Awesome. Gonna have to head off soon. We'll definitely check out the card you unpack. Yeah, the time zone different. Yeah, it's rough with the time zone difference, right? Hopefully you'll be able to check it out on YouTube though, if you really want to check it out. Hey, Evil. Thank you. I had a fantastic day. Thank you, my friend. Did you see the Blood Necro one-shotting Echo of Lilith? Wait, what? What the hell? What's the build? It's technically 2 hit? What the hell? What is the broken interaction? Where the hell are they? Oh, there it is. 1. Where's the, okay, there it is. Blood Artisan. Wait, what? So it's a Bone Spirit one shot then. Kind of blood ore. Interesting. I mean, Blood Artisan is literally the thing that makes proc, right? That damage is nuts. It's crazy, man. Like, have you guys seen the Barbarian doing Rob again, breaking the game? Doing like 18 quintillion. I don't even know what the number is. Yeah, you build up Blood Orb, then prog them all. Oh, so you build up Blood Orb for like 2 hours, and then you go like... And then you just like Giga one-shot the boss. Is that it? Undecillion. Damage these nuts. Thank you, Morpians. We really needed that. TLDR, yeah. Oh, damn. It's been saying heading to you for like the past 10 minutes. I think he's eating my my lunch, chat. Not gonna lie, my fingers are starting to have the Lego pain. How's the neck? The neck also is, I mean, the neck, I kind of got used to it, I guess. The neck, I kind of got used to it a little bit more. Like looking down at the table. But yeah, I mean, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. I need a new beer though, for sure. You know. You know. Feeling good. Neck is you look great. Thank you. I'm really proud of this setup. I'm not gonna lie. We're definitely gonna do this more often. It worked out really, really well. And I mean, I'm really happy because a lot of people have been here all day chatting with me. You know, like I was afraid that, because normally sometimes when we do like variety stuff, sometimes it, depending on what the game is, it can get a little bit more quiet depending on people's interest. But we've had people in here talking all day, and it's been so nice. So. I don't know. It's just been a really, really fun experience today. It's just been really, really fun. The chat has been super vibey all day. We've had people in here and chatting all day, so it's been great. The music's on point. We're starting to pour some drinks, and we're starting to pour some drinks. We're about to open some magic card. Doesn't really get better than this. We're about to open some magic card. I'm 33 today. 33. There we go, like this. Watching people do physical work is my favorite pastime. It's what I do most of the day at work. That's awesome. It's cool to see like who's getting captivated by this. It's really, really cool. Some of you are like super into it. I mean, everybody's been kind of digging it, I guess. It's been a nice vibe, so. It's been a really, really nice vibe. We're definitely repeating the process. And especially now that we got so many Legos coming on the way from the Throne wish list. You guys have been super awesome with that, so it's kind of crazy. We got 4 more Legos on the way. So that's really, really nice. There we go. There we go. There we go. Cool. Pretty intense construction though. Lot of I mean, it's not even that bad though. Like we're definitely gonna get oh, okay, it tells me how to build it here. Oh shit, okay. I didn't see the diagram properly. Ding. I didn't see this part right here. I wonder if the sushi will still be okay to eat when they arrive. Yeah, why not? You mean yours or mine? Why would they not be okay? It's just that the restaurant took a while to... The point of Lego is to not use the instruction. Why would you do that to yourself? Yeah, they'll be fine. They just took longer to get prepared. When I ordered them, it says that it would take an hour just to make them. Because they're probably, you know, like being super, you know, on a I don't know. They're super popular tonight, I guess. There's a lot of people that want sushis, so the delay was a little bit longer. It's all good. I'm not in a rush. Hey, Lux, have you figured out how to turn off the new spell Flash Blizz put in? I actually have no idea. I'll be honest with you. You don't like it? Really? I kind of like it. Kind of like it. Yo, spin to win 20 months. Thank you so much, my friend. Hello, hello. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I forgot this step. Thank you so much. What the hell is going on here? Yo, what's up, Katja? How you doing, buddy? We're doing Baby Yoda, dude. I got like the full Lego. Look at this shit. Good, good. How about you? Yeah, I'm feeling great, dude. Feeling the birthday vibes, dude. Yay, thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it. Catcha, thank you for the 2 years. Thank you for the 2 years. I appreciate that a lot. Bro, how do I make it? Okay. I have to do it like this. And this one. Am I missing a fucking piece? Oh, it's 1 by 1. Okay, never mind. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then the other one is the 3 plus 1, 2, and then 3. And then you put it in the middle like that. He looks really, really good, man. Yo, Cat, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh, there you go. So now we officially snap the head in. Oh, there you go. Oh, shit, it wiggles. Look at that. It actually wiggles. You can open his mouth. You can put his ears up, ears down. There we go. You can even move his little hand here. He's really, really nice. Oh, wow. You have full... Oh, my God. You can full exorcism the shit out of him. Okay. 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 Did not expect that. Bro, my Dasher is like doing 12 other deliveries before me. Classic. Okay, we do his little metal ball. That's the little gear shift. The little gear shift from the Siri. Whoops. There we go. Sadly, the last piece I don't have the sticker, so I can make the this is really, really sad. This is like the little plate for you to stick the sticker, but the sticker got demolished in the shipping. I don't know what the fuck happened. I'm still gonna make it that way. I'm still gonna make it that way. If I'm gonna try to contact, I'll try to contact Lego, see if they can send me. If they can send me one, that would be dope. I think they send replacement. I think they sent a replacement for stickers. It's like a little little panel where you can put like the description. You know? It's like a little panel where you have the there we go. And then normally the panel sits here, right? And then normally there's a sticker on it, and then you put the little baby Yoda right here. And normally there's a sticker that explains who Grogu is, right? It says the child, and it has info. But yeah, I don't have the sticker right now, so we'll order a replacement and try to get it. Well, that's it, chat. We finished it. Officially. There we go. We got the little baggies with all the spare parts. There we go. There we go, chat. Gonna give you the side view. It's kind of neat. You can control like the ears and shit. It would be nice if we got Rivendell, right? Rivendell would be awesome. Do you need to Discord you the replacement sticker link? Yeah, that would be nice. That would be really, really nice. There you go. First Lego piece done. Just out of curiosity, weren't you supposed to be adding extra hats throughout the day? Yeah, we were supposed to do it every 100. We're missing 20 for the second one. I might have put the goal too high though. I might have put the goal too high. I never know where this kind of shit is gonna go, so I'm always scared to put it too low. And then after 20 minutes of streaming, I have 8 hats for the rest of the day. So I was doing, that's why the goal that I set up was 800. 1 hat per 100. I have 8 hats. So that was supposed to be the goal, but it's like, you know, it's like the first beard ornaments was like, you know, so I never know how to balance it out, you know? I never know how to balance it out properly. Yeah, I decided for the Lego view to do like a full I decided to do like a clean UI, you know, where we don't see anything. I thought it was cool, right? Yeah, I did set up a goal. So right now, I think it should be at the bottom of the stream. You should be able to see the goal. We're at 181. Put the Baby Yoda in the hand. No, it's not the same pin. It doesn't work. It's a reverse pin. It's a hollow pin. If you scroll down in the panel, Giggity, below, it should be there. Also, when anybody gives a sub, they also, when anybody gives a sub, it shows in the... He looks really, really nice. He looks really, really nice. What do you guys think?